Welcome to my, welcome to my random ass channel. Today's video is gonna be different than any of the ones I've done so far, but that's the theme here. So that glare is annoying, even though my makeup looks like crap. Long story short, I was on Instagram the other day and I came across this picture. It kind of took me back to me a few years ago. So, quick story. I guess I was like 20 or 21. That was so long ago. I got super into like thrifting and distressing clothes and like customizing vintage or just like cool things that I found at thrift shops. So I feel like I know what to do. Yeah, back then I had like a little Etsy shop. I thought I was so crafty. What is this? But yeah, I thought I was so crafty and so cool because it was one of my little side hustles. But yeah, I guess seeing that shirt and the fact that I have these old Levi's that I will never wear again unless they are in a different form, I'm gonna do some shit to them. And the jeans that I'm doing, they're like Levi's, but they're not like super cute Levi's. They're like kind of high-waisted. Here's a picture of what they look like before. I already cut them into short. I've also got a pair of black jeans, plain old black jeans from H&M. Yeah, they're from H&M and they're like black jeggings. I've had them for a while. They're super comfortable, but they're kind of faded now, so I'm just gonna like help them along their distressing process. This is a shirt that I found to turn into that other shirt, kind of. Yeah, I'll talk about all that in a minute. I'm gonna like change the camera angle, all that crap, so that you can see what I'm doing. And yeah, Dave. So yeah, I just cropped it and cut off about this much. I wasn't filming it, sorry. So you just need your scissors, bleach, box cutters. I don't know if I'm gonna use these for the shirt, but I'm definitely gonna use them for the jeans. But Dave, you're gonna have to go. Like, I'm sorry. At least get off the shirt, okay? Come on, man. So there's like a couple little slits on the side of that shirt. So I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna cut. So just put a slit right here. My shirt's dirty. I wore an old ass shirt so that, ew, wow. Basically what I'm gonna do is just like a couple little slits. Like I like to do is just like kind of pinch it a little. So I'm gonna do like a kind of bigger one right there. And then like maybe a smaller one. Don't look at my nails. I didn't do them today because I knew they might get messed up doing this. So don't judge me. There's that. Let's do another little tiny one. Kind of want to cut the sleeves so that it will roll up. I'm not gonna do that just yet because I don't know if I want to or not. Here, Dave, dude, you're really about to have to go though because you can't be around the bleach. And then let's see where else. Hey, Dave, why do you have to distract me, bro? Why, man? I should have moved him before, but I just like mess with these two a little. You can put like a little slit in the sleeve too. That's good. Okay, that's good. So for the bleach though, dang. I should probably wear gloves to do this, but I'm rebellious and I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like splattered bleach, maybe like a lot of bleach. I don't know. I really need a towel to put in the middle of this though. Not even a towel actually. I really need something else to put in here, but I don't really feel like searching. So I'm just gonna try to do this. Just to keep some of the bleach from bleeding through. Hopefully it won't, but I really need cardboard. That's what you should use. And it should be like big enough to kind of cover the whole thing. And I'm gonna actually do the back of the shirt first. Be careful when you're working with bleach because it does like to eat through things. I put like probably, I shook it up just now, but probably a third of this is water. Just add a little water in there to dilute it. Oh my god, it's already coming out. Okay, cool. Alright, here we go. I really don't know if I should have diluted it or not, but I did, and that's just what I did. I'm kind of let that sink in a little before I flip it over. See, it's already starting to change. And I kind of want to like really go all out. So that's what I'm going to do. Hey guys, so I'm editing this and lost a clip of footage somehow. I don't know if I was just like not recording or what happened, but I'm sad. So luckily it's a super easy part, so I'm just going to talk through it really quickly, but keep watching because I'm going to throw in the clips and the pictures of everything once they're finished. So this part is basically where I would have been cutting the horizontal slits in the jeans. And what you want to do is make sure you put cardboard or something like that in between the layers. Then find a pair of jeans online that are destroyed or distressed in the way that you like, and model the placement and the size of your cuts with your box cutter off that other pair of jeans, or just kind of go crazy and cut wherever you want. Doesn't really matter. Just make sure that some of them go all the way through the material and some of them just cut the surface, so that way it looks kind of realistic. And when you're done, you want to wash and then dry on the gentle cycle, because after that you're going to make sure that you don't wash and dry super often. So obviously this doesn't look anything like the photo that I put in the beginning of the video, but I didn't want it to.